Ivy Tech Community College President Tom Snyder testified before Congress this week on the effect of the Affordable Care Act's employer mandate is having on their employees.
Like most community colleges, our funding does not provide for any large unfunded mandate such as the ACA 30-hour rule. The annual impact on us would be $10 to $12 million with a total statewide healthcare bill today of $25 million, so a 50% increase.
Ivy Tech, like many other businesses and schools across the country, is cutting part-time hours to avoid paying health care benefits. Josh and Lynn has more.
Heather Turner spends her days as an instructional assistant at Edgewood High School, keeping her special education students on task and helping them complete their work. But her days recently got shorter. Instead of working 30 hours, she's now here just for 29.5 hours a week.
If we're in the middle of something and I'm helping the teacher with the classroom and I have to leave in the middle of it, that leaves it all to them, and whatever I was doing is just kind of thrown up in the air.
It's not just Turner. All part-time positions in the Richland-Bean Blossom School Corporation have been cut to 29.5 hours. Why 29.5? Because going up by just half an hour means those jobs would meet the Affordable Care Act's definition of a full-time job. Under what's being called the employer's mandate, employers have to provide health care benefits to full-time employees.
It's a sad thing that we have to limit good people on those things, but like I said, being a public institution, we have a set budget and we have to live within that. So that's good, bad, right or wrong. That's where it ends up.
Opponents of the ACA say what's happening at Richland-Bean Blossom illustrates a problem many businesses are facing. They say the 30-hour rule incentivizes employers to cut part-time hours to avoid paying health care benefits. However, healthcare law professor David Orentlicker says that's not quite as widespread as reports might make it seem.
What we've seen so far is there have been anecdotes. People have said, my employer dropped me to 29 hours, or I got a new job, but they would only give me 29 hours. So clearly that is happening. But when you look over the whole economy, so far we are not seeing a major effect. We're not seeing a big shift from full-time workers to part-time workers. We're not seeing a slowdown in hiring yet.
Last summer, 9th District Representative Todd Young introduced a bill in the House, and Senator Joe Donnelly introduced a similar bill in the Senate that would raise the 30-hour cap to 40 hours. In a statement, Donnelly said that most Hoosiers think 40 hours, not 30, is full-time. We need to change the definition of a full-time employee in the Affordable Care Act to bring it in line with what most Americans have traditionally recognized as full-time. Orentlicker cautions that raising the cap could create more problems. He says employers might cut 40-hour-a-week full-time employees back to 39 hours, making them part-time and saving the company on insurance benefits.
You want to minimize the gaming opportunities. So changing the number of hours, people are still going to look for ways to work around that, and it's not the ideal solution.
Schools and universities in particular find themselves in a difficult squeeze. While corporations have a profit margin, educational institutions have fixed budgets and less flexibility to absorb increased costs. Wilcox says that raising the cap to 40 hours would relieve some of the pressure.
That makes our building level principals and secretaries' jobs a lot easier, who schedule those things on a day-to-day basis. And ultimately it makes my job and the Board of Trustees a little bit easier, that we don't have to sit down with those folks and give them news that their hours have been cut or are going to remain cut, whatever the case may be.